Hello friends, welcome you to my YouTube channel Plants Care by Abhishek. Friends, before I start this video, I would request you to please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon button so that you cannot miss any upcoming video of indoor plant care series. Without any further delay, let's start our video. Friends, in indoor plant care series part 1, we have discussed about 3 major mistakes which we used to do while taking care of our indoor plants, which not only impact the growth of our indoor plants, our plants also struggle to survive due to these errors. I have given the link into the description box. If you haven't watched that video so far, I would request you to please watch that video so that you can save your plants from those mistakes. In this video, we will talk about 2 more mistakes which we need to take care of while caring our indoor plants. At this point, we will talk about a very common mistake of not to do pruning of our plants. We must have seen the leaves becoming yellow or brown, which is a very natural process. However, the problem is not to cut those leaves, due to which these leaves keep extracting the nutrients which impact the growth of our plant. Friends, my suggestion is to make a schedule of cutting dead or yellow leaves from your plant at least once or twice in a month so that your plant can grow further. In 5th point, let's discuss about not to do repotting of our plant, which we usually ignore while taking care of our indoor plants. Friends, if you are observing the leaves becoming yellow or brown and falling down more frequently, it may be because it have been more than 1.5 or 2 years of your plant into the same pot and your plants has extracted all the nutrients from the soil. Hence, I would request you to please repot those plants so that your plant can start getting the nutrients and can grow further. Friends, these are the 5 mistakes which we have discussed in part 1 or part 2 video of indoor plant care series. I hope you will also avoid these mistakes while taking care of your indoor plants so that indoor plants can grow happily. I hope you will like the information which I am sharing. If you really liked the video, would request you to please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon button so that you cannot miss any upcoming videos of our indoor plant care series. Till then, goodbye.